Today I'm gonna clean up a big mess in the yard. Now, we just did a bunch of construction during this coronavirus thing and it's been a little quiet. Skulls have come in, but we're trying to minimize contact. Everybody understands all of that. For about a year, when I go hiking or hunting or whatever, traveling, I'll pick up deadheads off the ground. Cattle, pigs, mice, squirrels, it doesn't matter what it is. I'd pick them up, put them in my pack, and I thought one day I'm gonna build something cool out of them. Well, to be honest with you, it's just ridiculous. Anybody that's into the skull thing doesn't think it's ridiculous, but I'm out of room. And I'm trying to do a little remodel here for all the skull stuff. I've got tons and tons of skull work to bring you. Anyway, I'm gonna leave the camera right there. I'm gonna dump these barrels. I just built this cheesy little cart, and I'm gonna try and take all these old nasty deadheads and just build them into like some sort of tree or pinnacle or something, just as a thing I can roll around, use as a backdrop. Who knows? I just need to get it dealt with. So thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Plan B. I don't like it. I think it's just the silliest thing I've done yet. I think I'm gonna take what I've done apart. I think I'm gonna build like kind of like a little bit of frame, and then make it a backdrop for photos, because it's just random. There's no real way to secure it that I know of. I was gonna try and screw it through holes or drill holes. It's not working. I guess the guy could frame it up and mortar it in, but I really don't need to put any money into it. Essentially, it's just going to go in the trash. I thought it'd just be fun and little souvenirs as I picked them up. But maybe I'll do this film on all the projects that didn't work, because I've got a pile of them. I guess I got some more work to do. I need to get to picking up. If that was 1 year, I need at least 2.25 years to get it done. I'm glad we went this route. I can just turn it away and hide it. Thanks for watching. Go outside, pick up some dead stuff, and do cool stuff.